is up, Dax Squad? My name is Daxon, and today I am here with a brand new video. Today is a bit different because this is a tutorial, and in this video I will be teaching you basic scripting on Roblox. So we'll start at the very basics. As you can see, we're here in the Roblox studio. If you don't know what the Roblox studio is, it's really simple. It may not seem simple, but when you get used to it, it gets quite easier and simpler for you to understand. So, first of all, if you don't have these few things at the sides of the screen, like you see here's a command bar thing, you can type stuff here, but it's just gonna do that because that's not really a valid thing. Yeah, here's the output. Oh, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Let me just put that back in. Here is the Explorer. It shows all the folders and things and stuff that is in the game. As you can see, if I delete this, it deletes the base plate. So let me just put that back in. Alright, so if you don't have these things on the sides, you want to go in View. It's these few things. You want to enable Explorer, that's this. Properties, that's over here, and the output, which is right here. That will tell you if there is any errors or mistakes in your code or script. And this last one is the command bar. There's still a lot of different things like the object browser, which is just a bunch of things you can just I don't even know what all stuff is in here, but we're gonna get to that later. So first of all, what you want to start with is putting a script in the workspace. So we're gonna right click on workspace, insert object, and we're gonna find script. Now you see right here it says print hello world. What this will do, it will print hello world into the output. So if we hit play, see it will say hello world. So let me just stop that. If we, for example, put in I like turtles, it will say I like turtles. Okay, you see these quotes right here? If we put them away, it will give us an error. That is because it thinks it's a string, I guess? Not really, but if we would just remove these, you see it would... Oh wait, give me a second. Remove that. It will say nil because it doesn't exist. But if we put in the quotes, it will print I like turtles, but without spaces. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, about this nil thing, I'm just gonna show you real quick in a bit. There's a few more things we can do, so let's just remove this and let's make a new variable. A variable is basically a holder for a value. So if we type in local train, because I don't know, just train. So basically this identifies how the variable is called, and then we need to give it a value. You can give it a numerical value or Boolean value, which is true or false. Or you can just give it a string, potato. Now if we do print train, it should say potato. Right here it will say potato. Or if we put in potatoes are good for your health, then it will print potatoes are good for your health. Now you wouldn't really use this in an actual game, but I'm just trying to show you what you can do. Now if we do local train equals 5, it will print 5. What else can I do? False, which is the Boolean value. It will say false. Print false in the output. Yeah, this is really just the basic stuff. There is way more. Let's make a new part, and what we're going to do, local part, print the name of the variable. So we're gonna do part equals game.workspace. Hear me out here. You don't have to put in game.workspace. You could just put in workspace, but at some different things that you can see, I'll show you. You can type in workspace, but you can't type in players or replicated first or just stuff like that. You just can't. Workspace is the only folder that can do it without the game before it. So you see, to access server storage, I need to put the game in front of it, else it just won't work, or just anything from here other than the workspace. So let's do workspace.part. Now this will locate the part. You're basically telling the script that the part is located in the workspace and it is called part. So basically you're telling it it's in here and then here. So it should print part, I think. Yeah. Oh, whoa. What happened? Don't worry about it. That's just some random error that has nothing to do with the code, I think. Yeah, that was just some mistake. Not sure what that was. Anyways, what else can I show you? Hey there. Sorry about that. I'll have to cut it here and consider this part done. I know, it's only almost 5 minutes long, but I want to split the entire 20-minute video into 3 or 4 parts. I'll see how it comes out. But if you still want to watch the next episode, it should be up in around 2 days, hopefully. See you for now.